Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramulu. Today's topic is a decay of alpha particle. Means how does the alpha particle comes from the radioactive nucleus? So that is a decay of alpha particle. See here, we know that alpha particle is emitted from radioactive nucleus. Yes, a radioactive nucleus can emit the alpha particle. Now, alpha particle is denoted by helium atom. So, like this, we denote alpha particle generally. We denote like this: H helium 2 4. The alpha particle can be held only by very strong but short range nuclear forces. Generally, inside the nucleus, alpha particles they held means they attract inside the nucleus with help of nuclear forces. But these nuclear forces are what? These are the short range forces. The figure shows a plot of potential energy V of an alpha particle as a function of its distance r from the center of heavy nucleus. See, this is the figure. It denotes what? It is a potential energy versus and it is a distance. This side distance and this side potential energy is taken. If a alpha particle approaches the nucleus from infinity, work has to be done it against Coulomb's repulsive force, which measures the potential energy of the system. See, its meaning is what? Let there is a nucleus. It is a nucleus. I am bringing one alpha particle from where? From infinity distance. So let is alpha particle is coming from infinity distance. Okay, it comes freely from infinity distance, and while it is coming nearer to the nucleus, what happens at a particular distance? It undergoes the repulsion. Why? Alpha particle is a positively charged particle, and a nucleus is what? It is also a positive charged nucleus. So this positive and positive the starts repelling each other. Even though if you want to bring that particles nearer to the nucleus, we have to work. We must work against its repulsion. Okay, so that is it is given. That indicates the potential energy, right? At a distance or not, short range strong nuclear forces come into play. Yes, at a distance or not. Suppose a particle is coming from large distance, it may contains the kinetic energy. While it is coming nearer to the nucleus, it undergoes the at a particular distance. It undergoes what? It undergoes repulsion. Okay, so when it undergoes repulsion, this kinetic energy later converted into potential energy. So here the potential is converted at what distance? At r is equals to r, generally we have to write it is r is equals to r1, we have to write, that is better. Okay, now due to attractive force within the nucleus, alpha particle has a negative potential energy minus V naught. What is this? Suppose it is a nucleus. Particle is coming from large distance, then it contains the kinetic energy. When it reaches to the particular distance, then what happens? It undergoes the repulsion with the nucleus. This particle. Why it is? This particle is alpha particle, positively charged particle. When it undergo at what distance it undergo the repulsion, then kinetic energy is simply converted into potential energy. Okay, so that means at this distance, at r is equals to r1, let that is at that point what happens? Kinetic energy converted into potential energy. While even though what we have to do, we have to bring it nearer to the nucleus, then repulsion increases. Increase in repulsion indicates a increase in potential energy, like this. Okay, when it is very nearer to the surface, repulsion reaches maximum value, that means the potential energy reaches maximum value when it enters into the nucleus. Then particle can undergo attraction instead of repulsion. When particle present outside, it undergoes the repulsion force. When it entered into the nucleus, it undergoes the attraction. So attraction, here it is, the graph is for to here it is for repulsion. When it undergoes the attraction, then potential energy suddenly drop and it becomes negative. It suddenly drop and become negative. That negative potential is minus v naught. The region of negative potential from R0 to 0 is called a potential well. So here the region, this region is saying, okay, this is the region gap. That is the distance from R0 to 0, right? The region of negative potential from R0 to 0 is called the potential well. So this gap is called potential well. Next, the region of positive potential. So this is the positive potential. Okay, it is outside potential. When particle present outside the nucleus, then this is the potential energy. When it present inside, then this is the potential energy. The region of positive potential is called potential barrier. So this positive potential is called potential barrier. The maximum potential energy is called potential barrier height. So that means this maximum energy is what? This is called potential barrier height. Next, we know that a nucleus is surrounded by potential barrier, and the escaping particle must have enough energy to cross the barrier. Suppose it is a nucleus of a uranium, then it contains a 27 million electron volts of potential barrier height. But actually, the particle, alpha particle of a uranium has a potential energy 20 sorry only 4 million electron volts only. 4 million electron volts, but barrier height is 27 million electron volt. Particle has a alpha particle has 4 million electron volts. So then it is not possible to cross this potential barrier of a nucleus. Then what happens, that particle, that alpha particle can move forward and backward. So according to Gauss, the particle he treated as a wave form. So like this, the particle move in this manner, and after when it strike to this one, then there is a chance to leak through this barrier. That is explained by the probability only. But according to classical mechanics, particle cannot escape this potential barrier. According to classical mechanics, particles cannot escape this barrier. But according to quantum mechanical, so when we consider the particle wave motion is quantum mechanical like a wave motion, then there is a chance to leak through this potential barrier. That is called tunneling effect, right? That is called tunneling effect. Okay friends, thank you. So don't forget watching this video till the end of this lesson.